Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Give me a thumbs up just for the intro.
What is up, guys? I'm back real quick with a quick video. There's 5 surprising things that may be holding you back from being successful in 2022. So we're gonna jump right into it. Let's get it. Number 1, are you following someone else's definition of what success is? You know, I understand you follow people. You guys may follow different celebrities or different influencers, and you're looking at their success and possibly saying to yourself, I'm not him, or I'm not her. I can't do that, or can someone like me do that? Like, just constantly probably questioning yourself, questioning your ability to really tap into information that you may be exposed to and really taking advantage of that information. At the end of the day, you have to create your own definition of success. And once you do that, it should be the only one that you pay attention to. Take that. Take that in. Take that in. Number 2, you may not be connected to your own truth. You didn't think about that, did you? You may not be connected to your own truth. Think about that for a second. What does that mean? Most people haven't been taught how important our own instincts are. We don't listen to that gut. We don't listen to our own instincts. Success should be a reflection of each one of us individually. Yourself. You determine your success. You determine that. That basically means you need to be in the driver's seat. Nobody should be able to dictate or tell you what success is for yourself. Everybody's level of success is different. Like, what you truly want and what you truly need, that's what should be driving you. That should be pushing you, moving you forward to your goals and your desires. That thing inside of here. Number 3, this is a good one. It's a high probability that you follow that vice that sounded good but didn't feel good to you. Let me repeat that. Maybe you missed it the first time. Let me repeat that. You follow that vice that sounded good but felt wrong. Sometimes what worked well for other people may not work well for you. Let's keep it all in 1,000 with you. What worked well for me may not work well for you. It just works that way sometimes. I mean, that's a part of us as humans. You can do certain things. I mean, you can have you can have a lot of success, but always listen to each recommendation with a critical filter. If it feels good to you, then it may be good. But if you get that little quirk, that hesitancy, you know, and it doesn't feel good to you, then 9 times out of 10, that may not be the vehicle for you. That may not be the vehicle for you. But on the other hand, if it feels right for your situation, then guess what? Go for it. Do it. If it feels right for your situation, go for it and do it. Make it happen. Period. Number 4, you're stuck in your comfort zone right now. Get out of that comfort zone. You have to get uncomfortable. You got to get uncomfortable. Failures are a gift. Failures are a gift. You're supposed to learn from them, get back up, and keep moving forward. I had a lot of businesses I started before, didn't work out. Guess what? I kept on going. I kept on growing. I took that business, learned from it, created another one. I kept going and kept growing. Failures are a critical part of every success story. Failures are a part of it. I just saw the Serena and Venus movie with Will Smith. And watching that movie, you know, showed me that, you know, yes, they became very wildly successful. But guess what? They lost matches on their way to success. They learned from those mistakes. They learned from those losses and got right back in the game and became champions. World-renowned champions. So failure is a part of success. It's okay. Don't be afraid to fail. Like, just, if you're going to try something, try it. If it works for you, it doesn't, it's cool. At the end of the day, you did try something that most people would have never tried to do. So that in itself is a success. Y'all hear me say it all the time. Get to work. Stop whining. Would you like some cheese with that wine? Number 5. This is a big one. This is a big one. This is the last one. This is a big one. Do you have a scarcity mindset when it comes to money? Do you have a scarcity mindset when it comes to money? Are you typically afraid to spend money, invest money in areas that may possibly bring you a return for the money that you invested? Because let me let you in on a big secret. A savings account would never make you rich. A savings account is not going to turn money over for you hand over fist. It's money that's just sitting there. I call that dead money. I call that dormant money. Money just sitting there working for everybody but you. Your money is working for people while you sleep, when it should be the reversal. It should be working for you while you sleep. So you got to figure out your association with money. That scarcity mentality. Like holding on to it so tight. This is your hand. This is your hand with money. Check this out. This is your hand with money. When you're afraid to open it up, nothing can go in your hand because you won't open it up. You have to create a new relationship with money and how you think about money. You got to open this up more so something can enter it. You got to open it up more so things can come into your hand. You have to release it in order for something to come back to it. Scarcity mentality will keep you poor and broke. Facts, big facts. Research it, look it up. And I'm gonna throw one more in there, number 6. I'm gonna throw number 6 in there, just quickly, really quickly. Number 6, be confident. Be confident. Do not lack confidence in yourself. Do not lack confidence in your ability to achieve what it is you set out to achieve. You have to be confident. Confidence attracts people. I heard a saying that once said, set yourself on fire and people will come watch you burn. You gotta be excited. You gotta get excited about things. There's one thing with me talking like this, and there's another thing with me talking like this, quick, fast. But you gotta get excited. You got to get excited about whatever it is that you want to do, whatever it is that you want to achieve. You gotta get excited about it. All right? So this was just a really, really, really quick PSA that I wanted to drop out there. These 5, well now 6 things that may be holding you back from living your best life. Seminar April 16th, Atlanta, Georgia. BOXTRUCK Masterclass. sixfigureboxtruckbiz.com. You already know how to reach me down below in the comment section. Down below in the description. You know how to reach me, calendly.com/Bigg Vic coaching. If you want to set up a strategy call with me, I'm always here to help. You already know what it is. All right, it's the homie Bigg Vic. Always hustle. Never stop growing. Till I see y'all in the next video. Deuces.
To let you go, but maybe it's too late.